Good day, classmates, and to our instructor, Forester Hannah G. Pantaleon. Good day, ma'am. This time, my first vocabulary recitation of forest genetics and tree improvement. Abiogenesis, the doctrine that living things originated from non-living matters. Acquired character, an alternation in function consulting from a response to environment, and it's not inheritable. Additivity, the basic for most quantitative inheritance theory and for most breeding efforts. Affinity, the similarity between entities in regards to our morphological traits. Albino, an individual characterized by the absence of pigments. Allele, an array of genes possible for certain position of a given chromosomes. Allopolyploidy, a ploidy in which traits chromosomes are derived from different parents, generally not closely related. Ancestry refers to those members of parts generation are related to any given species by descent. Aneuploidy, a variation of chromosomes number by whole chromosomes but less than the entire sets. Anisogamy, a sexual reproduction involving gametes, similar in morphology but differing in size. Artificial selection, the result of conscious breeding of plant by man for the goal of improving forest crops. Asexual reproduction, any process of reproduction that does not involve fusion of cell. Backcross breeding, a system of breeding whereby recurrent backcrosses are made to one of the parents of a hybrid accompanied by selection first for a specific character. Binary fission, a type of production wherein a single cell organism divides into two theoretically equal parts. Biogenesis, the doctrine that living things originated only from pre-existing living things. Bisexual plant, a plant having both male and female sexual reproductive structure on one individual. Breeding arboretum refers to all selected trees or species that established for breeding purposes. Character, an attribute of an organism resulting from interaction of genes with the environment. Character displacement, the process of genetics divergence of two or more species when they came into contact. Chromatid pertains to one of the two identical longitudinal halves of a chromosomes which shares a common tetramer. Chromatin, a nuclear material comprising the chromosomes, the DNA protein complex, or nucleoprotein. Klein, a gradual or more or less continuous change in phenotypic character over the geographical range of a species. Clonal selection, the matter of choosing the best clones in a clonal test for further asexual propagation. An aggregation of individual plant produced asexually from one sexual produced individual. Conjugation, the transfer of genetic materials from one bacteria to another bacteria when two compatible cells come in contact with each other. Control pollination, the transfer of protein from known source to optic flower of known parents. Cultivar refers to plant type within a particular cultivated basis that is distinguished by one or more character. Cytogenetic, the study of a cellular structure and mechanics associated with genetics. Portion of a DNA molecule composed of one deoxyribose molecules plus either a purine of a pyrimidine.